personal Illuminati. I know that some might say that I am just a bad girl, but if you treat me right, I will be the best girl in this whole world. No, I'm not gonna bite. I got my hands on your body, so tell me what you want me to do. I can be good or be naughty, because there ain't nobody love you like I do, 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 like
Good morning, welcome back to the channel. It is Friday. I have taken a day out of work so that I can look after Izzy, because we don't actually have childcare anymore on Thursday and Friday, so our lovely family daycare lady has shut down her premises, which is unfortunate, but I'm making it a good thing, and we are having I'm having some time with my little lady today, so I'm going to try and get a few things done if I can throughout the day, but focus will be on Izzy. So I'm just gonna make some breakfast now. You will have seen my workout earlier, which was also interrupted by Izzy, but that's fine. I got it done, got it finished. So yeah, I will put my face on and then get some breakfast. I'm doing the makeup in the spare room at the moment, leaning on a bed because for some reason it's the best natural light. Bit of an awkward spot, but it's alright. So we're using, I got this recently from Mendota Spa because I had a lovely voucher from my lovely friends, thank you very much. And this smells so nice, it's like a lemony zesty smell. It's just a tinted mineral moisturizer, but we're going with less is more today, even though this is great coverage on this, I must say. Yeah, it does give good coverage. I've just realised that I totally forgot to put my sunscreen on before this, so no harm, we can put it on over it. And there's actually, there's only SPF 15 in this, so it's not really worth much when you're in the Australian heat. Although saying that, it's starting to cool down here now, which I am quite grateful for because it's about time. It was like a really, really hot summer. Okay, that's on. Might do something with the eyebrows, fix up the hair of course, and get some breakfast in me. She's kind of just slicked back at the moment, but that will do for now. We need to get breakfast because we're very hungry. Okay, we're having some toasted bagel. Okay, so I've a pretty plain breakfast going on here. Slightly burned bagel and eggs and strawberries. After a late breakfast, I took Izzy down to the park and we had a nice little run around together. And then we headed off down to the shops. Oh, we're doing the balancing. Okay. Whoa. Oh, be careful. Oh, look at us go. Wow. Now we can never head on down to the shops without getting little Izzy a baby chino. Nice. And she also asked for sushi later on, which she ate 2 bites out of. And then of course you can't come to these shops without having a little play area as well. When we got home, I was quite hungry, so I made myself a wrap with roast chicken, and there was spinach and cheese and avocado, and then topped it off with mayonnaise, and it was delicious. Good afternoon. It is after 3 o'clock and Jimmy just came home. Now I'm going to well, he's gone again. He's gone to collect Alana, So he took Izzy with him. So I'm going to take this opportunity to actually dry my hair properly because it's just been kind of, it's like half wet at the moment. So allow me to introduce the Dyson Airwrap. James got me one for my birthday. Totally unexpected gift. And let me tell you, she's a godsend. I'm absolutely loving it. So, do a quick dry. I'm still getting used to it, so don't be expecting a tutorial or anything. But when I get more used to it, I might do one. So let me know in the comments. I'm just gonna do like a rough dry now, just to get these curly bits out. And that's the hair dry. Now I haven't done any sectioning of my hair. It would come out so much better if I did, but I'm really pleased with how quickly I can do my hair, and it can look reasonable with this brush. It's just, this is, I think, is like the straightening brush. I haven't had proper time to just sit down and practice on it and get the technique down pat, but oh my god, it's amazing. I mean, I kind of just want to wash my hair every day just to play with it, but I shouldn't do that, and I won't. I don't have time for that anyway. So yeah, that's my Dyson, my new best friend. So I have to go ahead and tie it up now because I'm just about to make dinner for the kids and for myself. So I hate leaving it down when I'm cooking because it always I always get the smells from, especially like chopped onions and stuff like that. I always find that the smells go on my hair. Now I'm not sure if I'm just imagining it, but I prefer to keep it nice and clean while it's clean. So I'm gonna head downstairs and get dinner on.
I want 6 beans.
We're gonna make a little bit of stir fry from the turkey breasts. I'm just gonna cut these up. I added in a barbecue mix here to give a little bit of flavour to the turkey. So here I've got some onions sauteing in the pan, and I'm going to add some turkey in here. I just added some barbecue mix and everything but the bagel mix in there because I love that stuff. And I'm going to saute this off. Just going to add in my turkey. Cooking in the oven, but I thought, you know what, I'll make a stir fry this evening and zhuzh it up a bit. Smell it. And I'm going to add some veggies to this as well. I'm doing it the lazy way, and I'm just adding some frozen vegetables. And to be fair, I don't really call it the lazy way, it's just another way of doing it. Because sometimes you have to get things done quickly, and here we are. Okay, so I'm gonna let that saute away, and then I'm gonna get working on the rest of dinner. Turn on the light for some good lighting, because I mean, it's beautiful outside, but it always gets really dark in this kitchen, so I'm gonna chop some mushrooms now and add it on. It's not very fancy looking, but this is the finished product. We've got our stir fry with sweet potato chips. I'm going to leave the video here. As always, thank you so much for watching. If you like these types of videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next one.